That dream, again. All right, show me. Why there? Fine. I'm listening. You didn't come for answers. You came for permission.
Permission for what? To ruin the life you already know.
Where does it lead?
To the place your fear points at, and your heart follows.
The world doesn't hide doors. It hides courage.
I'm not brave.
Good. Brave men are often careless. Be careful and go anyway.
You'll miss them. I already do. If I stay, I'll miss something worse. Hey, stop! So that's what the world does. I'll work. I won't complain. Everyone says that. Then don't listen. Watch. You have stubborn hands. Water first, ego last. How long? Long enough to learn what you are. Desert doesn't hate you, it just doesn't care. Then why does it feel like it's watching? Because you're finally listening. That mark, what is it? Wind signature. Means chain, means travel. It's been following me. You keep demanding certainty. I don't want to be foolish. Foolish is loud, you are quiet, that's different. What do I trust? We stop! We wait! If we wait, we lose the ridge. Follow me! You can't see! I can feel it shift now! You're kidding. All this just to come back. Okay, I understand. Here, the whole time. Thank you. Now I can walk forward without running.